Are you a Nutella enthusiast? Think twice before making it a daily habit. Here's how it could affect your health. Unhealthy fat gain. Nutella contains palm oil, a type of saturated fat that can increase the risk of heart disease and raise bad cholesterol levels. Sugar addiction. Nutella's high sugar content can lead to cravings and a potential addiction, similar to that of drugs. Risk of disease. Excessive sugar consumption from Nutella can contribute to health problems such as type 2 diabetes, obesity, and tooth decay. Exposure to additives. Nutella contains additives like soy, lecithin, and vanillin, which may trigger allergic reactions and disrupt hormones. Empty calories. Nutella is calorie-dense but lacks essential nutrients, potentially promoting weight gain and fat accumulation. Share this enlightening video with friends who indulge in Nutella excessively. Let's prioritize our health.